Good evening, Mr. President, members and visitors. It's so lovely to be here and to do this. It's exciting. I'm full of adrenaline because I started this at 12 o'clock today. So you're in for a treat and hopefully so am I. Now there's been a lot in the news about consent this year. And I'd also like you to think about feedback. What's the word that comes to mind when you hear the word feedback? Don't say anything, just think about it. Is it a positive response or a negative response? Now I would like to talk about the consensual kiss of feedback. It's very important when it comes to feedback that we have the other person's consent, but also nobody likes unsolicited feedback. Anyone, hands up if you welcome it. Not really. Oh, good for you. Well. So when I was planning tonight, I remembered the core message on page 5 of my book, Breathtaking Communication, talks about audience first. And we all like to think that we think of the customer first or the audience first, but in actual fact, do we really do that in action, in reality? Because the truth is, if we think about our audience first and then our message, it will help us decide not just what to say, but what not to say.